So hello guys, welcome back to the next part of this series. In this video, we are going to learn what are the comments. Comments are actually the part of the program that we do not want to be printed, as we are running a code and we are seeing it after a long time. Or if you are working in a company and you want that person who is working on the other side can also understand your code, then how you are going to explain them? So in order to make the code more explanatory, we use the comments. So let's get started. In this video, I will teach you how to write the comments in the Python. Now let's move to our Python code, and we will write here print in the double quotes. Sorry for the we will write print in the and in the double quotes we will write whatever we want to print. Let's just write just is very good. Now I have to write that you are also good, and but in the next line. So in order to write in the next line, we will not going to enter. And if, for example, if I write you are also good, I write it, but here's it's showing a red line which showing syntax error or any error. We cannot use this as the Python syntax error. Python does not like this. So in order to write it in the next line, we are going to use escape sequence. Now actually what our escape sequence are, so in order to print this line in the next line, we can also use the print statement in the next line, like in the previous video we performed it like this. In the next line we will print you are also good, you are also good. But the thing is, we have to write the print statement again and again, and it is not going to work, as we have to, as while writing the code, we have to make the code very simple and less repetitive, as it is a good practice. So in order to print it, what we can do, we will write escape sequence. What we have to write, just is good, and we will just write backslash and it will just print the statement in the next line itself. It's for the new line, and in here we will write you are also good. Just miss You are also good. And the thing is, when we will run this, we will see the same output as the previous one. Right, if you want to remove this space, what you can do, remove the space after backslash n. It will simply give you the same thing, and see, you are getting the same output. And there are also different type of escape statements, like for the four spaces we call generators as the tab or the indentation. We will write slash backslash t and see what we are getting four spaces, I think so. Four spaces gap here. You can see this is four spaces gap, and then you are also fine. If you write after backslash t, you will give a space, you will get five spaces in between. I hope you understand my point. Before further moving to the other types of escape sequence, let me tell you about another thing, that is comments. What actually comments are. For example, you and me are creating a website and we are going to make changes. For that, I am going to make change. I am going to add something like this, and I want you to not remove it, but the thing is I want to kept it. in the code itself. So I will use this hashtag in the front, and I will type whatever I want to get print this hashtag, and I will write whatever I want to get here, but not want to be printed. As I can write, this is a comment. This is actually a comment. As we will run the code, we will not going to see this line in the output. They see we are not getting this in the output, and if we remove this hashtag symbol, it is going to give me a red line. It means there is something error in this code, in this line. So in order to comment something, in order to not want printed, in order to not get any error, so we will put an hashtag sign in this, and it will make the code more attractive. And you can see the different colors, like green for the comment, reddish type for the uh, this code which is going to be printed, and for the functions like print, it is getting blue. So there are different types of color we are getting to make the change in these colors. It is also it is called as syntax analytic, which the actually id or another the shell in which you are running your code, which will give you. If I want to write, this is a free Python program, I will write free Python program, and the thing is, it is not going to be written and the run and executed by the Python. As we can add these things, so the Python says, oh, why not? Jokes apart. Now let me tell you a secret which is not going to be secret anymore. Okay, fine. What we can do is, what I actually performed is remove that comments. What how can I do this? In this keyboard you can see control and slash. You can put control and forward slash. You will put select these select those line you whom you want to be commented, and you will press control and forward slash, and these lines will be commented automatically. If you want to remove that comment, you will do control and slash again, but this will work only when you have selected these lines. Okay, so if in the future I've you find me control doing this commenting and uncommenting in a very fast way, do not get confused. I use these functions only to do the comment and uncomment in the videos. Like in the program, I am making one website, and my boss said me to remove this line as it is not looking good. I will do control and forward slash. It will comment it, and then the boss of my boss comes and said, "What are you doing? It's look nice. You are also good." So in order to uncomment it, I will again perform this, and I will uncomment it, and it will work fine. We can also we it will work fine, and we can also we have done this control and forward slash this, and when we will run this, it is not going to be execute. See, this line is not going to be printed as it is commented, so it is not going to be proceeded as the part of the code, but it is the part of the code without giving any error. I hope that makes sense. Like in this, I can write the comment here also after putting some space, or you can do also without putting space like this. Whenever we put a hashtag symbol, the Python interpreter itself understand that we are going to add any comment. So whenever we write after it printing hello world, it will what it will do, print will execute, then print will go to the function, and it will execute hello world will get printed, and then it will move further and it will see the comment. hashtag symbol, and the rest of the part will be treated as comments. So it is not going to be executed. Let's run the code. We are getting our output as hello world. Yes. What if we will remove this symbol and we will up you you also know what is going to be happen. It will give us syntax error for sure. Just run the code. Yes, it's giving us compilation error or syntax error. You can see. We will remove this and we will put the comments again, and it will work fine then. Yes, it's working fine. Now, if I want to write multi-line comment, the thing is there also exists multi-line comments in the Python. So in order to write the multi-line comment, I will not use a hashtag symbol. What I can do is I will use triple single quote. We will put triple single quote, and the thing we will write inside this triple single quote is treated as the comments. So we can write anything like author is your author is your chess, and what you can write is age is I think 45, and then when we will close this triple single quote, this is, you see, this red line is removed. It means it is commented and it is going to work as a comment and not going to give any syntax error or any error. See, it's worked fine. The thing is, you can also use triple single quote or triple double quote as per your need. But the thing is, you have to use same the if you are using above triple single quote, then you will use the same below, and if you are using double quotes, then you are going to use the same below. Like, see, it is also going to be comment these things, and it these things are not going to be executed in the code. Like, we have put the triple double quad. Let's just run the code and see if it's working fine or not. Yes, I think so. Hope so. Yes. Now let's move back to our escape sequence vectors. What are actually escape sequence characters? Actually, we have discussed so far. We use this thing for \n to move to the next line. In order to move to the next line, we will use this. These are called S, but the thing is, these are not different characters. It is only a single valid syntax. Do not treat backslash and n as different entities. They are same. We have discussed that, and if we put instead of backslash n, we will put an enter here. It is not going to be work, and it will give us an error. So these are escape sequence. Now let's move forward. If we put double quotes here, it will give us an error. Why? We have put one double quotes here and double quotes here also and here also. But the interpreter will think that that our code is ending here only in the second double commas, and chalo, okay, fine, that would be considered. What then? What about this? It is considered as an invalid syntax in Python, so it will not going to run and will give us an error. What? See, compilation error. We are getting, we are get syntax error, and so you do not put these commas in the middle. However, if you are using double quotes, you can use single quote. It is not going to give us an error, and this single comma is going to be printed. See, I've used this single comma. Why it is going to be printed? The thing is, we are using here double quotes. But in order to print, we can also use single comma like this. Hello, comma word. It is also going to give me the output. But the thing is, it is also going to give me the output. We can first of all comment this and see what the single comma inverted comma going to give us the result. It's working absolutely fine. Yes. uh, but the thing is, we cannot put that single colon here. If we will put a single colon here, the same thing will happen. This will considered as an end, and rest of the thing will be considered as invalid. So in order, but you can use double colon here. I hope you can see. If we will I will run this. It is going to give me this comma are printed. So you can remove these in order to get the output. We can use both single comma and double comma to print inside. We can use both single comma and double comma inside a print statement. I hope you get my point. Now the question arises, if I want to write a single comma here in the between, how can I make it printable? So in order to print it, I will use backslash and then that comma which I want to be printed. If you are using this backslash comma, see, we will this whole code will be executed fine, and there is no error in between, and this backslash is not going to be printed also. Mind that this backslash is not going to be printed. So what is an escape sequence character? An escape sequence character is a backslash followed by an character you want to insert. Okay, you can, this is considered as a single, like in this backslash n, we considered it as a single entity. So in this we are also considering it as a single entity. Like here, if we want to insert a double comma, we will use, we can use it directly, but if we want to insert a single comma, we cannot put it directly. We have to use slash n. But in the above, we can use, like, first of all, comment this. When we go comment, oh my god, sorry for the inconvenience. Where here? Let's comment it. It is drawing. Okay, fine. It's commented now. Now, in order to put double comma in between, we have to first uncomment this. And in order to put, we have to use backslash double comma, and it is going to be executed fine. Um, yes, double comma is printed, but if we want to use it without this, it is not going to be executed. It is giving us an error like undetermined string literal. Matlab, it cannot be determined by the compiler, as it's considered as invalid after that. And in order to print single comma here, we do not need to use, as it's not misguiding the interpreter that it's ending here. It's single colon here, and we have used in the starting double colon. I hope that makes sense. One more thing I want you to know about the print statement is that we can print multiple things in this, like here we will use print 6 comma 7, but I want to separate them by hash this symbol. What I will use, I will use sep is equal to, and in the bracket I will use that separator, which I am going to separate these things. Now after, what do you think the expected output is? The thing is, if you want any other symbol here in between, you can use plus also. You will get, on writing plus, you will get plus symbol. And if you use it here, it is going to give us answer only the 6 plus 7, which is 13. So if you want to, if you don't want to use this, you can do it with also, like a plus 7 comma 7. What if, like, separator is equal to what? Let's consider this as the separator. What do you think the output is going to be? Yes, output is going to be a and a little gap, because no, we are not going to have any gap here, not because of the comma. We use and symbol here, so we will get and, not gap, and then 7. If we'll let's run this first. Oh, sorry, I forgot to remove this. Let's remove this first and now run it. Yes, it's giving hey and 7. And if we will put, if we don't want to put anything here, we space bar here, and we will get how many times you tap the space bar, you will get that much spaces in between, like a, then 2 times space, and then 7. Yes, we are getting that output. Let's move forward toward our next code, which is this. For the end, we have used end separator here. This means what is going to be print at the end of this print statement. We use hey 7 and hey and 7 are separated using and separator, this end, and in the end of these things we want 009 in the end. So what we are going to write, 009 backslash n for the new line, uh, and then we want print Harry. What it's going to give is 00 hey and 7 009. Let's see. And then in the next line, Harry. Yes. If we will remove this backslash n, then what will happen? It is going to print this Harry in the same line as after ending 009. Just after that, not new line is going to be taken. See, yes, it's giving it in the same line. So in order to move it to the next line, we have to use backslash. Uh, in order to move it, we have to use backslash n here, and it is running perfectly fine. Yes, absolutely. So I hope you are enjoying this series. Please see this series till the end if you want to learn the Python in such depth. We are going to rock this. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning. Goodbye.